everybody. So I came by to this classic car show, and that's what I was hoping to see, some of the old Corvettes. And this one looks pristine. Looks really nice. I like the red interior that matches the car. I really like that design with the quad headlamps. Here we got some C8 Corvettes. Let's check this one out.
Oh yeah.
Here we got a C6 Grand Sport. LS3. So here we got us a Saline S331. It's the first time I've seen one of these. Years back I wanted one of these trucks. So I believe they have 450 horsepower out of the 5.4 Ford engine. So I really like the body kit. But yeah, for a long time I looked for one of these. Later on I just quit looking for one, but it used to be my dream truck a while back. I like those exhaust tips right there. I think it looks pretty nice. So we can see how it runs up there. But yeah, I remember I would search for one of these, never find one close by. So here we got a Corvette. I know it's got the stripes there, but it's just a Stingray, it's not the Grand Sport. So I generally don't come to the classic car shows, but it's nice to get to see a variety of cars. This one was close by to where I live, so I thought I'd check it out, get to see some interesting things. We got another couple Corvettes up there. So my favorite old Corvettes are the C2 with the quad headlamps. It's probably one of my favorite ones, which I have also seen some really nice C3s. And this car show has a bunch of old tractors. I don't really know much about tractors, but So that car was a 2014 model. That green was only made for 1 year, for 2014. And every time I see that kind of car, I'm always reminded of my very first car that I ever had. It was a 1993 Corvette of that color. So it brings back memories every time I see one of these rare C8 Corvettes with this color. So there was just so much to cover on this car show. It had a variety of everything from tractors, commercial semi-trucks, motorcycles, classic cars, just all kinds of different things. But it was really interesting to see a lot of cars through from the years of history. So next month I'm hoping to go to the exotics show. I'm really looking forward to going to that one. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe.